Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to add dimensions. So for example, I will create objects with line command. Okay, I will click at this point. And next you can create a circle. Now, if you want to add dimensions, like for dimension linear, you can type dimlin, press enter, and then I will click from this corner point into here, and you can move to the bottom to set the dimension linear. If you want to create a dimension radius, you can type dim radius, press enter, select the circle object or arch, and you can click here to set the dimension radius. If you want to create angular dimension, you can type dim angular, press enter, and then I will click at these two line objects to create the dimension angular. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to add dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.